Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Party Method, which launched on the 15th of September at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great new release from the Rhodes brothers, that's John and Matt Rhodes, and their launch partner, Keith Dougherty, in this excellent method. Now, as you know, in the Elite Tigers group this year, we've been talking about thinking outside of the box and getting away from ideas and methods that are confined to the make money online niche. Now, this one is completely outside of that because it deals with actual physical products. Now, when we're talking about parties in this context, should I say at the outset that we're talking about virtual parties here? Obviously, we're talking about online parties, so we're not talking about physical parties that you host in your home. This is going to be an online event that takes place over a number of days, but what you do is that you create a buzz ahead of that party by advertising some giveaways that you're going to be making, some high value giveaways that will attract a lot of people into that, and then that creates its own buzz which goes viral, and then eventually this leads to a flood of e-commerce sales in any niche. Now, if you don't know how to source products for any of this, you're new to any of this method, or you're new to e-commerce, or even if you're brand new to internet or affiliate marketing, don't worry, because everything is broken down into bite-sized steps, as I will show you when we go through this product. It's actually a pretty straightforward and simple method to set up. It's all about creating really just little mini sales funnels online that you're going to be using to sell throughout the party period. So if this sounds like it's something of interest, I would describe this as a left field method, and it's actually a lot of fun to do as well as being very effective. Then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Party Method from the link immediately underneath this review video. From the start of September as well this year, anyone that buys any of my recommended products, including this one obviously, will be automatically enrolled, if you'd like to be, in my weekly video mentorship coaching program. That means that I'll be sending you 2 videos a week on different aspects of internet and affiliate marketing, both basic and intermediate level videos. If you'd like to participate in this, all you need to do is to send me an email with the subject line video mentorship and include a copy of your receipt for this product, and send it to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. I'll give you that again. So that's a email with the subject line video mentorship, and send it to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. The address will also be underneath the affiliate link underneath this review video. As far as the bonuses for this product are concerned, you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point I'm afraid they will expire. Obviously, that isn't something that I want to happen, folks, because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Party Method, because of course you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a little bit special. So what is Party Method all about? Well, it's a way that you can see how this retired Florida cop, that will be Keith, gets paid $379.39 per day to give away free stuff without any of his own products. It's not affiliate marketing or CPA. His secret weapon is throwing a money party, an online money party. And you can see in the sales video, which is either here or on my sales page, or on my bonus page rather, some of the amounts that have been earned just from these launch periods of these parties that have been thrown. There's Keith there, as I said, who's partnering with the Rhodes brothers for this particular method. I'm not going to spend too much time on the sales page, folks, but obviously you can have a look at that. and see how this actually works. So basically you pick your niche. You can throw a party in any niche from anywhere in the world in any language. If you've already got a business and you want to get floods of customers knocking down your virtual door, then throw a party for them. If you're just getting started, you don't have an e-com business, then just watch the training and some of the best niches for you to party in will be chosen. Next, you choose the prizes and the gifts that you're going to give away. This is actually the easiest bit, and it's a lot of fun. You're going to get very excited when you see everything you can give away, because every time you give something away, you earn a profit, sometimes a lot of profit. And finally, you throw your party. Once you've chosen your niche and selected the gifts, then the fun really starts. You just flip a switch and party goers start knocking down your door. You start handing out goodie bags to your party goers, and in return, they'll hand over their credit cards and send instant cash your way. If you throw a good party, they'll even tell their friends about it. And that is pretty much the method. So we will go into, this is the membership area at the party method. We'll go in there in just a moment. But first of all, I just want to cover off my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link immediately underneath this review video, you'll come through to this page here, and my video will be there. This is the basics of what the party method is all about. See exactly how we throw our own parties in 3 easy steps. Grow your own email list on almost complete autopilot. Throw your parties in any niche after niche after niche. Set up and throw your party in 1 day or less. So this isn't something that takes a long time to set up. Get other people to share your parties. This is viral. Find out exactly where to source your free party gifts. Get paid up front to throw your own parties in any niche. This easily works with Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, although it's not required. You can scale it up fast. There's no limit to the number of parties you can throw. You can get paid to have fun and become a leader in your niche. Throw parties anywhere worldwide in any country. Get excited and attract fresh new buyers. Works with all international languages and markets. And it's a rinse and repeat method that you can use again and again. And as I said, you will find the sales video also on my page. So what are the bonuses that I'm throwing in here? Well, obviously, the way that one of the ways that you ensure that your party is a success is to get as much free traffic as you can to create the buzz and to drive people to attend your party. So firstly, this is 2 super traffic hacks for newbies. These are 2019 methods that are working right now to drive traffic. Secondly, I'm going to show you this. It's only the second time I've ever given this bonus away. This is how to get 200 leads a day using free Facebook traffic. It's a video tutorial, folks, that will show you how to do that. Thirdly, this is slightly off message, but it's relevant to a degree because we're actually going to be sourcing some of our party giveaway prizes using AliExpress. Well, this is how to drop ship on eBay with AliExpress. So another way that you can earn a little side income. Fourthly, again, this is an extra bonus that isn't directly related to the content, but it's just a really good affiliate marketing course from Eric Karji called The Secret Weapon. It's a different way to make money with affiliate marketing offers. The very first day that I actually used this method, I got a sale for $28 off of it within 2 hours for setting it up. So that was how quickly I got a return. I don't think I've ever got a faster return off any product than this. And finally, how to find hot selling items to sell on your e-commerce store. I've thrown this in not necessarily for the store. You may well have an e-commerce store, and if you do, then great. But really how to find hot selling items for the niche that you're going to choose when you work with this method. It's just an additional way to find stuff. And that's a tutorial from John O. Armstrong. So I hope you can see, folks, that I've added a lot of value here onto the front end for what is already a low price product on the front end, folks. Okay, so we're back on the sales page now. And this is really what we've already gone through over on my bonus page. Everything you need is included. Instant access to the system overview, instant access to your niche and event choice, instant access to the product selection, party setup, bonus blueprints, live traffic training, free autoresponder videos, and everything else. And there are also going to be some bonuses from the vendor, which we'll come on to in just a moment. But first, let's head over to the members area. So when you land in your members area for the party method, the first thing you need to do is just to confirm your email address in here. So just put your name and email address in here, and then you'll be added to the list to get VIP updates from this method. And then you should watch the overview of the method. So let's just get a quick flavor in here.
Hello everybody, Keith Dougherty here, and welcome to the party method. And of course I'm joined by my partner on this project, Mr. John S. Rhodes. You there, John?
I am, Keith, and welcome. Very, very excited about the party method.
All right, folks, so that is your overview there. You've also got the intro transcript, and you've got an intro blueprint that you can download, both of these. So this is the sort of 10-minute setup, not setup, but overview of the entire party method. Then we go into picking your niche and setting up your party event. So as I said, the party event, it isn't like a one-day party or just a couple of hours. It'll actually run for about either 5 or 7 days. Normally 5 days is about the right length of time to run one of these parties. And you can run it in a number of ways and around a variety of themes, and all of that will be explained in the method here. And again, you've got your transcripts and your blueprints that you can download here. Then choosing your special party products, obviously that's very important. So these are going to be obviously products that you're going to be selling and giving away. But mostly these ones are actually the ones you're going to be selling. And then you've got your transcripts and blueprints. Then you've got your setup of your party page. So this is what's going to drive people to actually attend your party, and automatic sales positioning. So again, all of that is explained at this stage of the method. Then you've got your product sourcing secrets. You can see AliExpress here, which I mentioned earlier. And all of this is explained how you can get stuff like really dirt cheap, virtually free, and sell it for high bucks, folks. And then you've got your free bonuses. Here is your party method prize spreadsheet. This is the method that you use to track your giveaway prizes and results. And then autoresponder how-to videos. Again, these are a bonus that's included for you. And then you've got your advanced versions down here. If you've taken the upgrades, we'll go through the upgrades in just a little while, folks. So you can see absolutely everything that you need is here, folks, to get you up and running with this method. The actual course itself is going to take you probably no more than an hour and a half to go through. And then by the time you set everything up, as they say, the Rhodes brothers say, you can get this method up and running in well under a day. And you can start to, as soon as tomorrow, you could be ready to actually launch your first party. All right, so bonuses, full PDF blueprints, as you've seen there. Secret source of free gifts for you to give away and get paid for. Bonus 3, instant access to beginner-friendly instructions to grow your own email list, starting completely from scratch using a secret free email autoresponder. Bonus 4, access to live traffic workshop showing you how to instantly pull in thousands of daily visitors with the #1 source of free party traffic. And in terms of pricing, during this launch period, as I said, we've launched here on the 15th of September at 12 noon. If you're quick, you can pick this up for just $9.95, folks, $9.95. That is an absolute steal for this method, I would have to say. It's a very good method, this. All right, that's back in the members area. Let's look at the upsells. So first upsell is the advanced method, which is $97. Now, in this, you're going to get Keith and John and Mark and Mark's Rhodes exact complete marketing packages to copy the exact same proven system in your own niche funnels. So you will get a complete case study of real party funnels and additional bonuses that will enable you to cash in with the party method as fast as possible. So no research or anything, everything completely done for you. You're basically just replicating what John, Matthew and Keith have already done, and been successful with. So you don't even have to set it up. So it's sort of almost impossible to fail with this advanced method because it's something that's already worked very well before. All right, so that is your party method advanced. And then you've got list warrior advanced. Again, this is 97. And with this, you'll get several done for you style packages that do nearly all the work for you. These will allow you to start getting new customers onto your email list at absolutely zero additional cost. You'll also get access to additional bonuses that enable you to get other people to do all the work necessary to grow your list for you without lifting a finger. And this includes resources to help you get instant distribution and tap into even more case studies and tools to help you quickly get more email subscribers, plus traffic to any sales page, website or offer that you want to target. The third upsell is reseller rights, 100% reseller rights, sell the product as your own and keep all the profits. That's 97. And that is it for the upsells on this one. If you can afford the advanced method, folks, it's going to save you an awful lot of time. So I, genuinely think that you should consider that very carefully. And that is pretty much it, folks. This is a bargain at $99.95 without a shadow of a doubt. And if you want to pick it up and get all of these extra bonuses from me as well, all you need to do is click on any of these green buttons here. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on Get Instant Access on that buy button there. And then that will bring you into your back office at Warrior Plus, where you should click on the green button there to access your copy of the party method and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that is all there is to this, folks. I'm going to give this 4.5 out of 5. I think it's really a good left field method. I think you'll have a lot of fun with it as well. And you'll learn a lot while you're actually setting this up as well, about, completely different ways to create new income streams. So highly recommend it. That's really it. All that's left is for me to thank you for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath and you'll be informed anytime I bring out a new video. And until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Party Method.